Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Ignore Do Not Disturb for Samsung email on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen open up the Samsung email app. Now if you cannot find email on the home screen, then swipe up to go into the app screen and open Samsung email. In the email list screen, tap on the menu key at the top, and from the pop-up menu, tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on notifications, then tap on notification categories. Now tap on new emails at the top, and then we go down to the bottom and tap on Ignore Do Not Disturb. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now set that show this notifications even when Do Not Disturb is on. So if you want the Samsung email app to ignore Do Not Disturb, you can switch this on. Finally, you can tap on the back key and apply that changes to other categories as well, and then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.